Hello, fellow adventurers. Welcome to our guide on traveling North America on a budget. You don't need to be wealthy to explore this incredible continent. It's for the curious, the brave, the resourceful. It's for you. Discover the Rockies, New York City, and New Orleans without breaking the bank. We'll share tips, routes, and practical advice for budget travel. Ready to unlock affordable North American exploration? Let's get started. Before you pack your bags, let's talk about the foundation of any successful budget trip planning and budgeting. Having a solid plan and a realistic budget gives you the freedom to truly immerse yourself in the experience. It's the framework that allows for spontaneity without financial stress. Be honest about your finances and build a daily or weekly budget. Break it down into categories: accommodation, food, transport, activities, and emergencies. All right, so you've got your budget mapped out, your savings are growing, and the dream is starting to feel incredibly real. Now let's talk about how you're actually going to across this vast and varied continent without emptying your pockets. Transportation can often be one of the biggest expenses, but with a bit of know-how and flexibility, it's an area where you can make significant savings. For me, the journey itself is often as important as the destination, and choosing budget-friendly transport can lead to some of the most authentic and memorable experiences, connecting you with the land and its people in a unique way. Let's start with the unsung hero of budget travel, the bus. Companies like Greyhound in the USA and Canada, or various regional operators in Mexico, offer extensive networks that can get you almost anywhere. Yes, the journeys can be long, but think of it as enforced downtime, a chance to read, write, watch the landscapes unfold, or even strike up conversations with fellow travelers. Booking in advance, especially online, often unlocks the best deals. I've had some incredibly scenic bus rides, watching the sunrise over desert plains or winding through mountain passes, all for a fraction of what a flight or even a train might cost. You need a bit more solitude, though these will be pricier. One of the most beautiful truths about travel I've found is that the most memorable and enriching experiences often cost very little, or nothing at all. North America is brimming with opportunities to explore, learn, and connect without constantly reaching for your wallet. It's about shifting your mindset from equating value with price, and instead, seeking out the inherent richness in simple pleasures, natural beauty, and community engagement. This is where your creativity and curiosity truly get to shine, leading you to discoveries that are often more authentic and personal. Nature is, without a doubt, your greatest free resource. This continent is blessed with an astounding array of national parks, state parks, provincial parks, and local hiking trails. From the majestic peaks of the Rockies to the serene coastlines of California or the lush forests of the Pacific Northwest, there are endless opportunities for hiking, walking, and simply being in awe of the natural world. Food is such an integral part of the travel experience. It's a way to connect with culture, to indulge your senses, and, of course, to keep your energy levels up for all that exploring. But dining out for every meal can quickly decimate even the most carefully planned budget. The good news is that eating well and affordably across North America is entirely possible with a few smart strategies. It's about finding that balance between treating yourself to local delicacies and being resourceful with your daily meals, turning food into an adventure rather than just an expense. Your number one ally in the quest for affordable food is the grocery store. Whether it's a large supermarket chain or a local independent grocer, this is where you'll find the best prices for staples. If your accommodation has a kitchen, another reason I love hostels, you can prepare many of your own meals. Breakfast is an easy one: oats, fruit, yogurt. For lunch, pack sandwiches, salads, or leftovers from dinner. Cooking your own dinner not only saves a significant amount of money, but can also be a fun, social activity if you're staying in a hostel, sharing recipes and a meal with fellow travelers. Let's delve into a powerful strategy for stretching your travel budget: travel rewards and points. With a little understanding, anyone can save significantly on flights, accommodation, and activities. Make your everyday spending work for you. It's like finding hidden treasure. Earn travel rewards through credit cards. Many cards offer sign-up bonuses, redeem points for flights, hotel stays, or cash back. Choose a card that aligns with your goals. Some cards offer perks like free checked bags or elite status. Always pay your balance in full to avoid interest charges. While North America boasts some famously expensive cities and attractions, it's also home to an incredible array of destinations that are surprisingly kind to your wallet, offering rich cultural experiences, stunning landscapes, and vibrant atmospheres without the hefty price tag. Part of the joy of budget travel is discovering these places, where your money stretches further, allowing for longer stays or more immersive activities. I want to share a few of my personal favorites, places where the value for money is exceptional, and the experiences are truly unforgettable. These are spots where the spirit of adventure thrives on a shoestring. First up, let's head south to Mexico City. This sprawling, dynamic metropolis is an absolute feast for the senses and remarkably affordable. You can find delicious street food like tacos al pastor for mere pennies, explore world-class museums with low entry fees, many are free on Sundays, and wander through historic neighborhoods bursting with color and life. Accommodation in well-located hostels or budget guest houses is plentiful and cheap. The public transport system is extensive and incredibly inexpensive, making it easy to explore different corners of this vast city. From ancient Aztec ruins to contemporary art scenes, Mexico City offers endless discovery for the budget-conscious traveler. There's a certain magic to the North American road trip. The sense of freedom, the ever-changing landscapes, the ability to stop wherever your curiosity leads you. And believe it or not, this iconic travel experience can absolutely be done on a budget. It requires a bit more planning in terms of route, vehicle, and overnight stays, but the rewards are immeasurable. I've had some of my most profound travel moments gazing out the window of a car, traversing these vast lands, feeling a deep connection to the journey itself. Let's talk about how to make that dream a reality without draining your savings. First, your vehicle. If you don't own one, renting can be an option, but look for deals. Consider smaller, fuel-efficient cars, and be aware of one-way rental fees, which can be high. Sometimes buying a cheap, reliable used car and selling it at the end of your trip can be more economical for very long journeys, though this comes with its own set of complexities. If you have your own car, ensure it's serviced and road trip ready. Fuel will be a major expense, so use apps like GasBuddy to find the cheapest gas stations along your route. Having the right gear can make your travels smoother and more comfortable, but it doesn't mean you need to spend a fortune on brand new, top-of-the-line equipment. In fact, I'm a big believer in resourcefulness and smart shopping when it comes to travel gear. The focus should be on functionality, durability, and what you genuinely need, rather than what the latest marketing campaign tells you is essential. Overpacking with expensive, unnecessary items not only burdens your wallet, but also your back. Let's explore how to get kitted out for your North American adventure without breaking the bank. First, assess what you truly need. Make a list based on your planned activities and the climates you'll encounter. Are you doing a lot of hiking? Then good, broken-in footwear is key. Are you staying mostly in hostels? A quick dry towel and a padlock are essential. Resist the urge to buy specialized gear for every conceivable scenario. Sometimes the most powerful inspiration comes from hearing the stories of those who have walked the path before us. Knowing that others have successfully navigated budget travel across North America can be incredibly motivating. It transforms advice into proof that these adventures are possible for anyone with the desire and ingenuity. I want to share glimpses of real people who made their North American dreams a reality on a shoestring. A young couple in Vancouver saved up for a year, working odd jobs, to road trip across Canada. They bought an old van, kitted it out, and lived their dream. Waking up to mountain views, cooking by serene lakes, and encountering kindness from strangers. Their biggest expense was gas, but by cooking their own meals and free camping, they made their savings last. And there you have it, our deep dive into traveling North America on a budget. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips inspire your own incredible journey across this continent. Budget travel is about creatively figuring out what you can do. It's about the freedom of the open road and connecting with diverse cultures. The landscapes, cities, and people of North America are waiting to be discovered. Whether hiking mountains or exploring cities, these strategies are your toolkit. Start small, plan smart, and embrace the adventure. The most important step is deciding to make it happen. Travel is one of the most enriching investments we can make. So, go out there, explore, learn, and grow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips. Share your budget travel hacks in the comments below. Let's build a community of adventurous, resourceful travelers. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and happy travels.